You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this German footballer. Yes, I know too many people get it wrong. Let's learn how to pronounce it, how he pronounces it. German pronunciation, Florian, so that would be Florian, that's easy. Wirtz, yes, W, as you probably know, is like a V in German, like Volkswagen. Wirtz, yeah, that's it, Wirtz. And then TZ is more like TS really in German, Wirtz. Yeah, that's it. Florian Wirtz. So in English, just say it, Florian Wirtz, and that's it. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.